take control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this beautiful afro curl. So please stick with me to the end so you see the end result. Thank you so much. So guys, this is what we need for this hair. We need an afro hair. I use this funky afro hair, guys. You need a hair pin, of course, like you need this pin. I remember telling you guys about this pin in my last video. You need a scissors for cutting, and you also need a thread and a needle, guys. So I'm using this black thread, and also you need a bottle of water to water the hair. And yes guys, so let's start, guys. So the first thing I did was that I pinned down my cap. You can see, guys, I actually lost a clip where I was pinning down this cap, guys. So guys, you guys can literally see what I am doing. Like, there's no point explaining. Like, you guys can literally see all I did was I grabbed my hair, the hair I am using, the funky afro hair, guys, the funky kiki. I mean, it's called funky kiki, I think. So I'm using this hair to just sew around the net. All you have to do is just pin down your net so it will move. So pin down your net with the pin and just sew round in a circular form, and that's just it. You keep sewing around to the end till you get to the middle, and you just tuck everything and sew it down, and that's just it. So you guys should just watch so you get the full video in detail. Thank you so much, guys. said earlier, all you have to do is just sew it in circular form. Keep sewing it around. You can see it's remaining very small space at the middle. So all you have to do is just keep sewing until you cover up all the middle side, and by the time you cover them all, then you move to the next step. Yeah, keep watching guys. I didn't need to explain. I mean, like, you guys can literally say, I mean, like I was saying. After sewing everything and covering up all the round space, this way it looks, I'm just going to spray with some water and I will comb it out so I'll start trimming. So immediately after combing it out and spraying with water and everything, just start trimming until you get a round kind of shape, you know, because after sewing it's going to be very scattered, honestly. So you have to keep cutting and trimming, comb it out, keep trimming. After trimming everything and cutting, this is exactly the way it looks. It's going to give you like a round shape. You can see, trim as much as you can, and you know, you can trim it to your size. If you want a bigger ball, fine. If you want a smaller one, fine. So guys, this is exactly the way it looks after I trimmed everything. So now guys, the hair is ready to be worn, so I'm just going to go straight. I've already put my hair in a bun, so I'm just going to go straight and install it on my hair, and let's see how it's going to turn out. Oh my god, are you guys seen that? I love it guys, it turned out really beautiful. And yes guys, that's just it. Thank you so much for sticking to me to the end. I don't know why after my video I plan to do everything voice cover, but like I end up saying something. As much as I want to do just voice video, something just keep ringing in my head. Talk. Thank you guys so much for joining me, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for the like, for the view, for the subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up. If you're not joined the family, please hit that subscribe button. It costs nothing. Like, it's so free. I don't know why guys, because each time I ask people to subscribe to my channel, like maybe friends, family, each time I just tell them, have you subbed to my channel, go sub to my channel, you know, the first thing they ask me is how much. Like, how much what? It is damn freaking free. It is free. All you have to do is just look for that word written subscribe here or here and click that word, and please join my family. If you want to see more amazing hair video, please don't forget to join the family. I don't know, I'm closing my eyes when I'm talking. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.